Menke wanted David to learn not only Yiddish naturally, but he wanted him to learn Hebrew naturally. Now, my father was an ardent Ashkenazic Jew and was very much against the Sephardim and their accent. So he decided to move to Israel with his wife and David, and he got a job teaching Yiddish in an Orthodox school, they call it in Yiddish Sfas. In English, it's Safed. And the Orthodox don't believe in using Hebrew for everyday things. It's reserved for the language of prayer. And so he was working in this Yiddish school, and his wife was teaching English. And when David was 3, my father was walking along the street in Israel, talking to David in Yiddish, and a policeman arrested him for speaking Yiddish on the street to his child. Because in 1959, the war on Yiddish was intense in Israel. They weren't allowed to have their own newspaper. If a kiosk dared to sell a Yiddish newspaper, it was burned down. They had a newspaper for the Holocaust survivors in German, in every other language, but Yiddish was forbidden.